When the weather changes, do you feel the shift in your mood too? Grey skies make you feel low. Sudden heat can leave you restless. And when the seasons change, they bring in certain mood changes which no one can explain. But here's the truth, we can't regulate the weather, but definitely we can take care of our own internal state. With emotional freedom techniques, you can change your internal weather from restless to centered, from stormy to calm. If the changing weather is making you restless or tired or making you feel low, then today I, Dr. Vandana Basin, your EFT coach, a certified clinical EFT practitioner, is going to help you tap on this change of weather and the acceptance that the body doesn't get when the weather is changing. If the changing season is making you anxious, low, or tired, don't ignore it. Let's tap today and see how our body is reacting or responding to this change. Today, we are going to tap on the reaction of our body of the changing weather, whether when it changes from hot to cold or cold to hot. Let's tap together. So now first what we are going to do is we are going to measure how much disturbed our body is feeling when the weather is transitioning. Basically what happens is the body is just uneasy, it is not able to understand the change. So let's measure that uneasiness on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 means that the uneasiness is very high and 1 means the uneasiness is not at all. So let's start. Even though when the weather change, I feel low, or maybe tired, or maybe anxious, whatever suits you. I deeply and completely accept myself and I'm open to releasing this uneasiness. Even though my body is really feeling uneasy. Sometimes it catches cold. Sometimes it catches headaches. Sometimes it simply aches. I don't know how it is going to react when the weather changes. I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though right now the weather is transitioning from cold to hot in most parts of my country. Right now, right here, I'm okay. Eyebrow point. This uneasiness in my body. Side of the eyes when the weather changes. Below the eyes, this uneasiness in my body. Nose, this uneasiness in my body. So much uneasiness in my body. My body can't make out what is happening outside in the environment. Is it cold? Is it hot? And suddenly I find myself caught up with some sinus or muscular spasm or body ache. I really don't know what happens to my body when the season changes. जब मौसम बदलता है तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बॉडी को अडाप्ट करने के लिए. डिफिकल्ट टू अडाप्ट, डिफिकल्ट टू अडाप्ट, डिफिकल्ट टू अडाप्ट, डिफिकल्ट टू अडाप्ट. The weather changes, the season changes, and it is difficult to adapt. Body feels so uneasy. Either it'll ache, or I'll just feel simply low, or I'll feel tired. All of these things that are happening inside the body when the season changes. All of these changes happening inside the body when the season changes. All of these changes that the body is not able to understand. Okay, stop, take a deep, easy breath and sip some water. So, water is important as we know because it allows us to shift the energy. So now again, we are going to measure the uneasiness of the body when the weather changes. So just close your eyes, and on a scale of 1 to 10, just whatever the first number flashes in your mind's eye is the number which we start with. So maybe you start with, say, a 6. The uneasiness of the body is 6. And with one round, it may shift, it may go down lower, it may go up, it may remain the same. So let's continue. Even though the body goes so uneasy when the weather changes, I deeply and completely accept myself and all my emotions. Even though my body might just simply start aching or feeling low, I don't know how it is going to react. I deeply and completely accept myself and whatever I am feeling. Even though this changing weather, I don't like it. But it happens every year. And I have to go through this transition every year. Right now, right here, I am okay. Eyebrow point. The season changes. And when the season changes, my body doesn't understand what to do. Either I'll start to feel low, or maybe I'll start to feel anxious. All these changes that are happening in my body, I am not at all aware of it. And suddenly I'll find my body caught into disease. बीमार हो जाएगा, जुकाम लग जाएगा, या सिंपल मसल स्पैज्म हो जाएगा, या बॉडी एक होने लग जाएगा. I don't know how my body is going to behave when the weather changes. But I feel this uneasiness, all of this uneasiness in my body when the season changes. All of this uneasiness in my body when the season changes. अजीब सा हो जाता है बॉडी जब ये सीजन चेंज होता है तो. All of this uneasiness when the season changes. All of this uneasiness when the season changes. I have no idea how to deal with it. When the season changes into spring, I'm supposed to be happy because spring means new beginnings. But my body behaves very strangely and it's a mixed feeling. So much uneasiness. Okay, stop, take a deep, easy breath and sip some water. All right, so now again, please measure how much is the uneasiness in your body and say it has come down by 1 or 2 points. Now, what I would like you to see is just close your eyes and scan your body and slowly experience where are you feeling this uneasiness in your body. Is it like a heaviness in the chest or a heaviness in the stomach? Is it like tightness in the back? So whatever it is, just note that down. And now we are going to tap on that sensation in the body, right? Let's begin. Even though I am having this uneasiness in my body. So please focus wherever you are having that uneasiness in your body. I deeply and completely accept myself and all my emotions. Even though I am feeling this uneasiness in the muscles in my back, or I'm feeling it in my throat, or maybe I'm feeling it, or maybe I'm having sinus issues. Right now, right here, I am open to releasing this uneasiness. Even though the body reacts every time the weather changes. I deeply and completely accept myself and honor whatever is happening in my body. Eyebrow point, uneasiness in my body. Side of the eyes, uneasiness in my chest. Below the eyes, so much uneasiness. Wherever in the body you are feeling that uneasiness. I'm just going to use the word body and you have to substitute wherever you are feeling it. Nose, so much uneasiness. Chin, so much uneasiness in my body. Collarbone, so much uneasiness in my body. Every time the season changes, I have to go through this. And sometimes it is so bad that I start to have cold and cough. My throat chokes, my nose flows, and the season, and I don't like it at all. It is so frustrating. Already the season changes and the body goes low. And on top of that, I have this cold, this nose flowing. This is so irritating. But the truth is, the weather is going to change. That is the law of nature. That means my body does not have the immune system as strong. That needs to be. Maybe I should be eating more fruits when the season changes. Maybe I need a different action so that the body is able to adapt easily when the season changes. But all this uneasiness in my body, so much uneasiness, just can't deal with it. So much uneasiness in my body. Why can't the body just adjust itself rather than making me feel low or anxious or tired? Why can't the body just, adjust itself, adapt itself when I'm feeling so low or anxious or tired because the weather is changing? Maybe the body doesn't know how to change it. It is just going through the experience of the weather change. And I am experiencing that uneasiness in my body. Okay, stop, take a deep, easy breath, sip some water. Now, again measure the uneasiness in your body. Yeah? Has it gone down? Is it feeling a little bit better? Yes? Let's continue on that uneasiness again. Even though the body is feeling so uneasy as the weather changes, I deeply and completely accept myself and all what is happening to me right now. Even though the uneasiness is really frustrating. Right now, right here, I'm okay. Even though I'm so irritated, why can't the body just, adjust itself? Because the season changes every time. I deeply and completely accept myself and whatever I am feeling right now. Eyebrow point. So much frustration. Side of the eyes, so much frustration. Below the eyes, I'm feeling so frustrated. This changing weather is just so impossible. I just don't want to be the weather changes. But there is no place where the weather doesn't change. So I have to think of ways in which my body can adjust to the season change with ease and with grace. Definitely, there must be ways where I can move my body into this transition phase and feel comfortable. There are times when the body is able to do on its own, and there is a time when the body is not able to do on its own. So maybe I have to recollect those times. How did I fare well during that season when the transition happened? This uneasiness in the body. This uneasiness in the body. This uneasiness in the body is so strong that I fail to make my body comfortable, to make it go easy on itself. So much frustration when I fall sick when the weather changes. So much frustration. So much frustration. Why am the only one to fall sick? सिर्फ मैं ही क्यों बीमार होता हूँ? बाकी भी तो लोग हैं. सब लोग क्या बढ़िया से उनका टाइम निकलता है. सिर्फ मैं ही क्यों बीमार होता हूँ? Only why do I get sick? Why am I the one to fall sick always when the weather changes? So much happening inside the body. And I'm angry with my body because it falls sick. I'm really angry with my body because it falls sick when the weather changes. So much anger on my body. So much anger on my body. Why do you have to fall sick all the time? So much anger on my body. So much anger in my body. I am angry with my body. बाकी लोग का तो सही हो जाता है. For others, they are able to transition the weather. Why doesn't it happen with me? मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं होता है? I am so angry with my body. I'm so angry with my body. Every time the weather changes, it falls sick. Every time the weather changes, it falls sick. So much anger with my body. So much anger with my body. I am so angry with my body. So much anger. I can feel this anger in my chest. So much anger. So much anger. I don't even think body is functioning so well all the times. But at this one time when it doesn't work, I get angry with it. I have never thanked my body for functioning so beautifully, for aligning things so beautifully for me. But yes, when it falls sick, when the weather changes, I am angry on it. I am so angry on my body, feeling it, the anger in my chest. I am so angry with my body. How can you do that to me? I'm so angry with my body. I'm so angry with my body. I'm so angry with my body. Feeling it in my chest. Feeling all this anger in my chest. So you might get some other feelings. So you tap on those feelings. Feeling all this anger in my chest. All the time. सारा टाइम मैं ही बीमार हो रही होती हूँ. बाकी सब लोग तो आइसक्रीम खा रहे होते हैं and they are having all the fun. And यहाँ पर मैं I am struggling with this season change. Everyone is having fun, eating ice creams, going out, drinking cold things. I am the one who's suffering. I am right to be angry on my body. Why should I be suffering? But all the time, we just get angry with our body. We never take the trouble to thank our body for being so meticulous, for doing all the things in the right manner, for breathing in the right manner, for pumping blood in the right manner, for taking in oxygen in the right manner, for cleaning the blood in the right manner, for doing digestion, for allowing us to sleep. It is doing so many things together in the right way. Maybe during the season change, I was the one who did not rest properly. Maybe I was the one who did not eat properly. Maybe I was the one who did not drink properly. And I am putting the blame on my body. And I'm putting the blame on my body. So much blame that I'm putting on my body. So much blame that I'm putting on my body. So much blame that I'm putting on my body. So much blame that I'm putting on my body. But today, I choose to thank my body for functioning so beautifully. I choose to thank my body for functioning so beautifully. And I choose to take that action when the weather changes. Maybe having more fruits. Maybe drinking lots of water. Keeping my system hydrated. I will make all those small changes that will help my body to go through that transition. I am going to help my body to go through that transition. And we will together go through the weather change with ease and with grace and with love and with joy. Take a deep, easy breath, sip some water. How are you feeling now? Hope you're feeling great. But please don't forget to comment below what more tap along videos would you like me to create for you. If you have any challenges, अगर आपके कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, कोई भी इश्यूज हैं जिसके लिए आप चाहते हैं कि मैं टैप अलोंग वीडियोस क्रिएट करूं, प्लीज कमेंट इन द सेक्शन बिलो एंड डेफिनेटली आई विल क्रिएट दोज वीडियोस. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड. बी सेफ.